students, how are you all? I hope all of you are well. So let's start the class. So today I'm going to give you a small summary of mail merge. Okay. So let me tell you why we are using mail merge. If you want to send a particular information or particular letter to multiple people, in that case we can use a mail merge. For example, if you want to send an invitation card to 10 or 15 of your friends, you can write a single letter and you can send to your different friends. Okay, so I'm just going to give you a small summary of mail merge. As all of you can see in the screen, I have already written a letter. Okay, and I'm going to select different name of recipients over here, and let's see how to do the mail merge. To start the mail merge, first you need to click on the mailing option or the mailing tab. Okay, so let's click on mailing tab. Once you click on mailing tab, you will get an option called start mail merge, and you will get a drop down list. So you need to select the drop down list, and from that list you have to select the last option, which is step by step mail merge wizard. So let's click on that option. Okay, so in the left hand side you got a window, and here there are few steps are there, as you can see, from step 1 to step 6. So after completion of step 6 we will successfully do the mail merge. So let's get started with the step 1. Step 1 is you have to choose the document, in which type of document you want to select. Is it a letter, is it an email, is it envelope, labels, or etc. So I want to send a letter, so that's why I have selected letters. So let's click on the next option, the step 2. In the step 2, they're asking you that the document that you want to share, is it an existing document that you can see, or you want to write a different document, or you want to start with a template. Anyone you can select. So I want to continue with the current document that you can see in my screen, so I'm going to select the first option. So let's click on the next option for step 3. Okay, in the step 3, use an existing list, or you can type a new list. Which list they are talking about? The list, the name of the, as per the letter. Here I need to write the name of the parents in which I'm going to send the mail to them or send the letter to them. So the name of the parents, I have already written one table with the name of the parents and their address, so that I'm going to select. So I'm going to click on use an existing list, because the list is already present on my PC. If you want to type a new list, you can select type a new list, and it will ask you to enter the values after that. So I'm not going to select that. I'm going to select use an existing list. Then from here you can edit a different, select a different list. Say you have created many lists, maybe 2 to 3 lists, and out of these 3 lists, which one you want to select, that you can click. So in my case, it is coming. You can see there are two lists. There are 3 lists: parent list, peer list, and SUSH. So any one you can select. However, I'm going to select this one, which is called parent list. So let's click on that, and I'll click on open option. Okay, once you click on open option, you will get that how many recipients are there in the list. As you can see, I have written the name of 4 parents, and that's why the list of 4 parents are showing over here. And after that, I'll click on OK simply. Then I'll go for the next step, write your letter. So here, where you want to, after 2, I want to write the name of the parent with their address. So I'll click on address. First, you put the cursor over here after 2. Then you click on address block. After clicking on address block, you can see it will show the name of your parents and name of the parent and the address, which is Mr. Kunal Arora and Kalyani town. Okay, so after that you select OK. Okay, and after that again I am clicking on enter. Oops. Okay, so after that I'm going to select the greeting line. Okay, I'll click on enter again. Yeah, and I want to select the greeting line. over here. You can see in the greeting line it will show dear Mr. Arora, or the name of the parents like this, dear Mr. Arora, like this. Okay. So the mail will be to the name of the parent, then address, then again, dear Mr. Arora, congratulations. Your ward has done exceedingly well in class 5, and the award ceremony will be held on 2nd July of 2021. Kindly be seated by 9 a.m. Yours sincerely, principal. Okay. So this is our message. So let's see. Now we are in step 4. So I'm going to click on the next button. Let's see what happened. Yeah. So we have almost done. As you can see that you can see the name of the parents with the address and with the greeting message as well. And again, this is the in step 5. Basically you have to do nothing, you have to just see the name of the recipient, is it correct or not. That's it. From here you can select, you can see there are some arrows. From here you can select the recipient list, is it correct or not. And basically in step 5 you have to do nothing. Now let's move on with the step 6. Let's see. Yeah. So in step 6 you can see that you just need to click on edit individual letter, and you just need to click on OK. Okay. And after that you can see the mail merge is done, and I'm just scrolling down. So the name of the first parent is Kunal Arora, and you can see that to Mr. Kunal Arora, Kalyani Town. Then, dear Mr. Arora, congratulations, your ward has done exceedingly good, and so on. Let's move for the next page. Here I think it will show the name of the second parent, which is Mrs. Sarmishta Varman. The same letter, but the address line and the greeting line will change. Okay. This is the third page. It's written Mr. Aditya Roy. And the last one is the fourth page, because I have inserted the list for 4 parents. That's why. But however, you can definitely insert the name of the parents as you want, like the 10, 15. Okay. So that's all for today's class. You please practice and just comment in the comment section you have understood or not. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.